Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am sharing a process video for my entry to the Lawn Fawnatics challenge number 153, Christmas in July. As it's July and it's a little warmer, what more could we want than ice cream? And of course, to keep in with the Christmas theme, I thought I could make a snowman ice cone. I laid out all of the products that I thought I would use for this card. I have the Lawn Fawn Builder Snowman and Ice Cream Use Screen Dies, the Lawn Fawn Bar Humbug stamp sets, Lawn Fawn Black Licorice and Fake Tan, Neutral Shimmer and Pixie Dust cardstock, the Lawn Fawn Snowflake Hot Foil plate, Distress Oxidized in Salvaged Patina and Stormy Sky, and finally some Distress White Heavy Stock. Straight into the card, I hot foiled the background using a snowflake hot foil plate and Spellbinder's white foil. I am still a little nervous of hot foiling and it isn't something I am ready to show on screen just yet. Hopefully one day though. And before I remembered to press the record button, I ink blended the whole panel with Salvaged Patina Distress Oxide ink. I am using the sticky mat inside the Altenew stamp wheel to hold my cardstock, Picket Fence Ink Studio ink pouncers and an ink pad holder from Waffle Flower. A wonderful combination of tools to help with ink blending. I also added Stormy Sky Distress Oxide to the background so you can see these tools put to good use. I even swap hands halfway through. Once ink blended, I spritz the panel with Lawn Fawn liquid stardust diluted with water all over the panel and then blot with a clean paper towel. Do you want to build a snow cone? Admit it, you knew that was coming and now you want to sing along too. I die cut the parts off screen and then assemble them using liquid glue. I cut the arms, but I wasn't sure whether to add them or not. I used the wax end of the jewel picker to apply the tiny die cuts. As I assemble, I will tell you a little more about the Lawn Fawnatics challenge. The brilliant crafters over on the Lawn Fawnatics blog run their bi-monthly challenges where you can create a project using Lawn Fawn products and upload this to be in with a chance of being featured on the blog and also a $50 gift certificate from Lawn Fawn. Details of where to find the blog will be in the description below. I stamped the sentiment using Memento Tuxedo Black ink on a scrap piece of Nina Classic Crest cardstock. I used a banner die and cut this out on a small die cutting machine. Finally, time for assembly. I attached the panel to an A2 card base, leaving a nice white border all the way round. And attach the ice cream cone using foam pads. And there you have the completed card. I had so much fun making this. I look forward to sharing more Lawn Fawnatic process videos with you very soon. Thank you so much for watching and please remember to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone. Take care and I'll be back soon.